Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Dela Marita, a student at the State Islamic University of Raden Intan Lampung, majoring in Islamic Religious Education, class C, semester 3. I am from a group of 8 professional English course with lecturer Mrs. Feviana, MPD. We from Group 8 will describe about credit cards, banks, stocks, and Microsoft. Okay, here I will describe about credit card. What is a credit card? A credit card is a non-cash payment instrument using a card issued by a bank. Credit cards can help you make transactions at the beginning and are paid by the bank. But in the end, you have to pay the nominal that has been determined by the bank at the beginning of each month to the bank concerned. By using a credit card, the bank will facilitate you to have flexible time in transaction because it can be done on.
In my view, shares are letters that prove someone has a share in the capital of a company. A person who owns shares has right to some of the company's assets. For example, if a company issues 1,000 shares and a person owns 200 shares in the company, then that person actually owns 20% of the assets in the company. The majority shareholder will have control rights over a company. Then I think the function of the bank is to collect funds from the public and channel them back to the community for various purposes. Demand deposit, which is a deposit bank where withdrawals can be made at any time using a check or bill.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Dwi Andini from class C, Islamic Religious Education. I am from group 8. Here I will explain what is Microsoft. Okay, in everything in computer we have often heard about various application programs to make one's work easier, and one of the most familiar application programs today is Microsoft Office, which is a office application made by the Microsoft company, which you can run on a PC or laptop under the Windows and Microsoft OS X operating systems, wherein the Microsoft Office application package there are several well-known applications ranging from Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Visio, Publish, and Microsoft Access. The following are some types of Microsoft Office. Types of Microsoft Office as an application program that is most widely used by many people. To make work easier, Microsoft Office itself has various types. Number 1, Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft Word is one of the most commonly used Microsoft Office software for document processing, such as proposals, letters, and other documents. This application was developed by Microsoft contained in the Microsoft Office package. This Microsoft Office contains Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Front Page, Microsoft InfoPad, Microsoft Visio, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Groove, Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft Word has a logo in the form of the letter W and decorated in blue. The output is in document format. This application was published in as multi-tool Word for Xenix. Other versions were later developed for various operating systems. Microsoft Word, after becoming part of the Microsoft Office system 203 and 2007, it was named Microsoft Office Word. In Microsoft Office, the name is Word. Number 2, Microsoft Word functions. Its main function is as a word processing software, so that all work related to word processing can be done easily with the help of application edits such as 1. Make letter, insert images, create a table, make writing with various word art, and create documents. There are so many uses of Microsoft Excel that we can use it. Then, according to your needs, what do you want to use Microsoft Excel for? And 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is one of the applications in the Microsoft Office page. PowerPoint is an application. Number 3, Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is one of the applications in the Microsoft Office package. PowerPoint is an application that is used to create and presentation material in the form of a slide. This application can be used for teaching purposes, presentation, and can also create simple animation. PowerPoint runs on PC computer based on the Microsoft Windows operating system and also Apple Macintosh using the Apple Microsoft OS operating system. Although initially this application runs on the operating system Xenix. And the last, Microsoft Office Outlook, Microsoft Office Inputs, Microsoft Visio, Microsoft Office Front Page, Microsoft Office Access, Microsoft Office OneNote. Okay, that's my explanation about Microsoft. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.